What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agik here, the Honor Band 5. I really love it because it's an AMOLED. Yeah, so at the back you can see large AMOLED display, stylus watch, sleep monitor, okay, heart monitor, water resistant, battery life up to 14 days. Everything seems quite good, isn't it? Okay, let me just open it from the bottom. Okay, here we go. So it got some manual. Let me show you the manual. The warranty card. Nothing special out here, isn't it? Okay, the manual. Okay, that's good. So yeah, nothing special inside out here. So let me take a look at the charger first. So this is the charger. It's a micro USB, but I like the charger, is quite compact. And here is our watch. So overall the watch seems quite good. Let me put on my wrist. Should I? Isn't I? Yeah, definitely I should put on my wrist. Okay, and then the build quality is quite good, like compared to my Amazon Fit watch. The build quality is quite good, to be honest with you. I mean, I really like it. I mean, it seems quite good. I can just say that easily. I mean a lot of things, but really I like the build quality a lot. Well, let me put on my wrist. This one I got it from my wife. The band seems quite comfortable at the end of the day. Again, this is just unboxing and first impression. The band is quite comfortable. Let me just turn it on. How to turn it on? Come on, how to turn it on? First let me see the charger because I'm that dumb. How you connect with the charger? Here we go, like this. Okay. Okay, we need to connect like this with the 2 pin. Okay. I mean, why Huawei cannot make a simple charger? So troublesome, this charger. Okay, like this. But let me check out the manual how to turn it on. I'm that dumb, sorry, because again this is the real world videos, nothing is scripted. How to turn on the watch? Okay, charge. Okay, they're asking me to charge something, right? Let me just take out the cable and charge and see, is there any juice left? Okay, finally it's turned on. That is a good sign. Install Huawei Health on your phone to pair it. Okay, yeah, that was the first impression. The build quality seems quite amazing for the price. I'm just going to keep a short. Going to do a review later on. Subscribe and bye.